So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So first of all, good morning to all of you guys who all are watching me right now. And right now I am here outside from my house, and as you guys already know, if you guys if some of you guys have subscribed my channel, then you guys would know that I mostly prefer to start vlog from outside. So that is why again today I start vlog from here outside from my house. And as always guys, even I don't know what all kind of things am I going to show you in this vlog, but yes, whatever my mom or dad ask me to do, I will do. So while doing work, I am going to teach a lot of English sentences while keeping things easy to understand. Yes, so that is why, and I am sure this video is gonna be very useful for all of you guys who all are beginner as I am. So that is why please keep on watching. And by the way, right now I am here outside from my house. Actually I have come to tie my kettles or pets, so that is why I am here. And also I have done to tie my pets here, and it's time to back home. And yes, while going home, if I come across with any object, I'm gonna teach sentences by using the object or thing, right? So that's how I'm gonna stretch this block longer. So keep on watching. While coming home, I remembered and I see my father this morning asked me to move my other pets, actually cows, the cows that I have tired my dad in this morning. And this morning my dad asked me to move them to graze more. So that is why right now, before I reach my home, first I would like to go to my cows to move from there to next place so that they can graze more, right? And I'm going to show you. Wow, they are my cows. And also, oh my god, my slippers got broken now as you can see, but somehow I fixed it now as you can see. So first I will have to pass this fence. Okay, so just after moving my pets, right now I am going back home. But now as you can see, the road, it's a muddy way, right? As you can see, the place where is mud is called, the road is muddy road. Wow, actually I am very struggle to work on it. Yes, wow, right now I will have to jump just after reaching on the road, and still it will take 2 or 3 minutes to reach home. Okay, so right now as you can see the village of mine, and means I am about to reach my home. But here I have equipments. What this is called? This is called marks. Yes, it has 2 marks. And do you guys know why they are in my hand? Actually sometimes my pets bother me a lot, so that is why, in order to not bothering me, I have wear them. And bothering in the sense, sometimes they are going somewhere where I do not want to get them, right? So that is why, in order to not bothering me, I wear them, right? And right now I am taking them home. Right now I just kept my pet's marks, and right now I am going to the faucet to wash my feet and face because it gets messed. Guys, just after tying my cattle in the pasture towards river, and then I got back home, and then what I did, do you guys want to know? Okay, so right now I just made this fence that is here. Now as you can see, it got messed because we made this, right? And now this is the gate that I made, right? And also this is the faucet. Actually I don't made it alone, my father and me, I made this, so that is why I couldn't show you the process of making, right? So now as you can see, but earlier it wasn't here. And right now, because of doing work, I am getting hungry, or I am feeling hungry, so that is why I am going to my mom and see what they have for it. This is my goat. Hey, butter. My mom give me to eat some water rice. Water rice in the sense stale food. Yes, stale foods in the sense the food that I couldn't eat in the night, and the left food is called water rice or stale food, right? And I am eating, and it has soybean and chili. But here I have a question for you guys. Do you guys ever had stale food? Please let us know in the comment below. Okay, so right now I just had some meal, and right now I don't know what I'm gonna do. So just after having meal, I had rest a little bit, and then my mom asked me to bring our cows. So that is why again I am outside from my house to get my cows. So now as you can see next to me there are two cows, and now it's time to take them home. So that is why again I will meet you at home. Guys, right now I am here having rest, right? Actually, okay, I show you, my pets are grazing here. So I thought if my pets are grazing here, so why not to have a rest for a while, right? Simultaneously. So that is why I am having rest. But the time is over, it's 11 a.m. so it's time to take them home. So I stand up and now take them home. So right now again I have got here towards river to give water to my pets. By the way, how do I got here? I got here by my bicycle. Now as you can see, this is my dad's bicycle, right? And right now it's time to give water to my pets. But yes, before I go to my pets, first I will have to take this bag. In this bag it has, okay, I'm going to show you. In this bag it has lots of pictures. Now as you can see it has, and I am going to throw them in the river. Yes, now as you can see it has lots of pictures that are one trash, and that is why my mother asked me to throw them in the river. So that is why I got all of these pictures in the bag to throw them, right? So that is why I'm going to the river first to throw them. Okay, so finally the water of this river, and the river is called Mahananda River, as I told you guys many a time in my previous blog, right? And now I am going to pour all of these pictures in the river, right? Okay, I am going to walk in the river. Wow, all the pictures are swimming. See the view of this river. But this bag, my mom asked me to take this return home. Okay, again my फीता को इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे, got broken. Yes, as I just showed you, I just throw all of these pictures in the river, and now again I will have to come here to give water. I think I'm not gonna show you because I have showed you the process many a time. So that is why the action of giving water I'm not gonna show you right today. Okay, so first let me get to my cycle, and then I will keep this bag into my cycle, and then I will bring all of my pets to the river to give water. Okay, for a while I'm going to stop recording. Guys, actually I wanted to take all of my pets to the river, but I see today this night it got rain, so because of the rain it got water on this hump, and that is why I give water to this hump to my pets. And also this way it get easier to give them water, but otherwise I would have take them far away from here, right? So that is why. Okay, so now it's time to tie them by selecting a nice place where is so much grass than this place, because this place has very little grass. So that is why first I have to choose a nice place where is so much grass than this place. So right now I am going home by riding my bicycle. Now as you can see, but by the way, do you guys know how to ride bicycle? Please let us know in the comment below. But yes, always remember, by bicycle, not by driving, right? Means the action that I am doing means if I am pedaling, that means I am riding, not driving, right? Always remember. Guys, while I was coming from river, and right now I am feeling tedious and tired, so that is why I thought why not to have a rest for a moment by sitting on this cot, right? And now as you can see, but here guys, there is one thing that I have forgot to mention, so right now I wanna share, right? And the thing is, today my channel got monetized. Yesterday I applied whatever I had to apply, and I applied. Just after applying, and today morning I see, wow, my channel got monetized, and YouTube says through email, congrats. you have become a YouTube partner program such as was a sentence, and now as you can see the screenshot here, right? So today that is why I am feeling so happy, guys, and that has happened only because of you guys. So that is why I am too much happy, you can say, today. And you guys imagine if you were me, and how much happy you would have. And just like if you were me, how would you be happy? Things such as, and yes, this much happy I am feeling right now. And yes, here I wanna say, guys, please keep supporting me such as, and from today I promise you guys, whatever you will ask me, I'm gonna answer through dedicate through video. Yes, whatever you have question, even in this video you can comment, and I will definitely make a video on this topic. So please keep supporting me and keep commenting me and like too. Okay guys, so right now it's time to back home because I also have to have a shower, and also there are some people, there are two guys actually, and who is coming just behind me, so that is why I would like to stop recording, but otherwise they are gonna think, hey, are you a mad? So that is why I am shaking my hair, means I am drying my hair by shaking, cause I just had a shower, so that is why. And right now I open up the door that I made and going home to apply oil, and then I will have lunch. Oil bottle. First I am going to pour a little bit into my hand, and then I will apply in my hair, and then I will comb. Yes, I have poured a little amount of oil on my hand, and it's time to, I am applying oil in my hair, and then I will comb. But before I comb my hair, first I would like to keep this bottle of oil where it was. Okay, so right now I kept it here. Right now I am looking for a comb. Yes, I have just got it, and it's time to, yes, I just comb my hair. And how do I look? I comb my hair with the help of this comb, right? And now it's time to have a lunch, so I will enjoy milk. So let me enjoy the meal. Hey, what have you cooked? Guys, she is kind of a girl who always love to shoot, having selfies, and also making reels. But I don't like such kind of girl. So right now I am having meal, or I can say I am having lunch. Actually I do not wanted to show you, but I thought if I guys show you everything, so why not to show you even my lunch. So that is why you can see it. Okay, I'm going to show you through the rear camera. And now as you can see, it has dal and jute and ladyfinger and rice, and also it has a ghee. That is make my food interesting to eat, right? Okay, so let me just finish it. Okay guys, so just after having lunch, and I have come here outside from my house, and this is kind of a shop actually, and the shop is closed today, and right now I am buttoning up my shirt. But if you are untying, that means you are unbuttoning your shirt. But right now I am buttoning up my shirt. But here one thing I would say, what this is called, the raw. This raw called wrinkles. This raw is called wrinkles. There are lots of wrinkles, but in order to remove the wrinkles I will have to ironing, right? But I do not have any iron, so that is why I can't remove it. Okay guys, so right now I have come here to the place. Actually this place I have come 2 or 3 times in a day, and right now again I have come here. Actually right now I have come here to get my pets, right? And actually it's 5 p.m. and this time is to come here to get all of my pets home. So that is why right now I have come here, and from here I would like to stop recording because you guys know here in this place. So actually I show you every single day, I think, right? And in my every single block you will get to see the place at the end of the video, right? So that is why I do not want to speak about this place day by day, right? So that is why I would like to stop recording from this place. And I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. And so that's all for today.